Hey guys, just going to go over how to take a trade. So over here on the right side of Webull, there's a buy and a sell. So buy, you can do a market order, and basically if the stock is running and you feel like you need to jump in, jump in. I personally try to do limit, and I miss some trades, but I get over it pretty quick. Then you'll click the quantity. You'll click the percentage. Don't think that's really going to help for quantity, but we're going to go for a percentage, and then you can have some quicker trade settings here for different percentages, or trade share size that you particularly like. Here's your limit price. The cool thing in Webull, let's say I find this confluent area right here, it automatically puts in that price, or 1814. It'll automatically put it in the limit price. The data enforces today, or good to close, meaning whenever that price is hit, it should close. Double check with your broker if that's a setting for after hours and pre-market. But basically here, if it's setting up, it didn't break down here at the 1749-48 area. You'll see that real quick. And then you say, okay, this is still looking in this channel. So what you could do is you could set alert up here. And then you can set alert at the bottom here. And then I'm going to just mess it up on purpose just to show you can adjust it. Okay, so this is the channel I was talking about that is still up here wanting to hold that price. And we're going to sit there and just grab that alert and drag it here. So we get alert if it's going down. So maybe we might intend to short it. And if it can go up above this area, that it plans on going. So if it hasn't broken really down yet, more than likely it will go up. So I'm probably going to take this one that I had for earlier this morning that I didn't use and put it up here. So if maybe it still has to beat the high of the day on Monday, or just this price here to get me interested to look at it. So that's just using alerts. And over here, you can always add stop losses and take profits during open hours. You can always just click buy. It'll show you a confirmation of what's going on. And make sure those settings what you like to get it. If you are in a rush, you can do a market order, and that's just going to give you whatever price. That's how many shares it's going to give it to you, and it's just going to go, but you can still have your take profit for your out. But let's just say it's really crazy and it gives you an 810. Well, it's not even going to give you the order, because then your take profit's 1804. You've already lost 6 cents a share just by getting in the trade because you clicked market. So that's why a limit order is good. There's also a stop order. So you want a stop price to get you in, and then a stop limit where you set a price, and this is the price I want to get in. So at this price, I want you to buy this. So maybe it's a penny less. It'll hit it, do the little wiggle that you've planned on, and then continue forward, and still make sure you do the take profit. So it's still, some profit upward away from your entry price. And then you just click buy. And then if you're in a short, if you have a margin account instead of a cash account, sell. And you can do the exact same thing where you get in here. Let's say I think it's going to fail from 1794 and come back down here. So I can sell it at 1794, and then I want my profit down in this maybe 68 area. So you're going to actually make a trade in the negative, and there's your stop loss at that 18. Maybe 18, 14, add a little bit of money, and then you can click that. And it says as soon as it can do this, it'll do it. And that's basically when the market opens. Because during after hours of pre-market, you cannot do the stop loss, take profit order, or quicker trades. So that's how you would take a trade on Webull.